Open your final revision page 13 primary 1. Here we will solve addition and subtraction on number line. Okay, in addition we jump forward. Primary 1. In subtraction we jump backward. The first question here, 13 minus 3. We stop at 13 and make 3 jumps backward, so the answer will be 10. The second question, 13 plus 3. This is addition, so we stop at 13 and make 3 jumps forward, so the answer will be 16. 10 minus 3. We stop at 10 and make 3 jumps backward, so the answer will be 7. 12 plus 4. This is addition, so we stop at 12 and make 4 jumps forward, so the answer will be 16. 15 minus 9. This is subtraction, so we jump backward. We stop at 15 and make 9 jumps backward, so the answer will be 6. 15 plus 4. We stop at 15 and make 4 jumps forward, so the answer will be 19. 7 minus 7. We stop at 7 and make 7 jumps backward. Okay, this is subtraction, so the answer will be 0. 17 plus 3. We stop at 17 and make 3 jumps forward, so the answer will be 20. 8 minus 2. We stop at 8 and make 2 jumps backward, so the answer will be 6. 16 plus 2. We stop at 16 and make 2 jumps forward, so the answer will be 18. 19 minus 7. We stop at 19 and make 7 jumps backward, so the answer will be 12. 0 plus 8. We stop at 0 and make 8 jumps forward, so the answer will be 8. Another number line. The first question, 11 plus 5. We stop at 11 and make 5 jumps forward, so the answer will be 16. 14 plus 0. We stop at 14. Plus 0 means we not make any jumps forward or backward, so it will be the same. It will be 14. 14 minus 0. We stop at 14 and make 4 jumps backward, so the answer will be 10. 18 minus 10. We stop at 18 and make 10 jumps backward, so the answer will be 8. 12 plus 8. We stop at 12 and make 8 jumps forward, so the answer will be 20. 17 minus 0. We stop at 17 and make no jumps, okay, because this is 0, so it will be 17 also. Open your final revision page 14 primary 1. Here we will arrange the numbers from least to the greatest. What's meant by least? Means from the smallest to the greatest. Okay, the first question here, he gave me 6, 2, 7, 1 and 4. I want to arrange these numbers from smallest to the greatest after. Okay, so the first smallest number, it will be 1, after 1 2, after 2 4, and after 4 6, and after 6 7. The second question here, he gave me 3, 9, 5, 8 and 6. I want to arrange these numbers from smallest to the greatest. So the first number here, it will be 3, after 3 5, after 5 6, and after 6 8, and after 8 it will be 9. The third question here, he gave me 5, 9, 1, 7 and 3. So I will arrange the numbers from smallest to the greatest. So the first number, it will be 1, after 1 3, and after 3 5, and after 5 7, and after 7 the last number, it will be 9. 2, 0, 8, 4 and 6. We will arrange the numbers from smallest, so it will be the first number here, it will be 0, after 0 2, and after 2 4, and after 4 6, and after 6 it will be 8. Okay, 9, 4, 1, 10 and 3. The smallest number here, 3, it will be 1, after 1 it will be 3, and after 3 it will be 4, and after 4 it will be 9, and after 9 it will be 10. The last question here, 4, 0, 11, 2 and 8. We will arrange the numbers from smallest to the greatest. So the first number, of course, it will be 0, after 0 2, and after 2 4, and after 4 8, and the last one will be 11. Open your final revision, page 15, primary 1. Arrange the numbers from greatest to the least. What's meant by greatest to the least? Means we arrange the numbers from the biggest to the smallest. Okay. The first question here, 7, 2, 8, 1 and 12. So the biggest number here, it will be 12, after 12 8, and after 8 we take 7, and after 7 2, and the last number 1. 10, 2, 6, 18 and 5. So the biggest number here, it will be 18, after 18 10, and after 10 6, and after 6 5, and the last number here, it will be 2. 8, 21, 6 and 4. So the biggest number here, it will be 20, after 20 8, and after 8 6, and after 6 4, and the last number here, it will be 1. 0, 8, 11, 7 and 3. So the biggest number here, it will be 11, after 11 8, and after 8 7, and after 7 3, and after 3 0. 6, 9, 1, 0, 3. The biggest number here, 9, and after 9 6, and after 6 3, and after 3 1, and after 1 0. 4, 13, 7, 9 and 0. So the biggest number here, 13, after 13 9, and after 9 7, and after 7 4, and the last number 0. The last question here, 5, 19, 9, 2 and 1. So the biggest number, 19, after 19 9, after 9 5, and after 5 2, and after 2 it will be 1. Open your final revision, page 16. In time, in clock, we have two kinds of clock, analog and digital. In analog, we have two hands, one small hand for clock and one big hand for minutes. Okay, when we have small hand on 1 and big hand on 12, so it will be, it's 1 o'clock. In digital, we write 1, and in another side we write 2 zeros. Okay, so it's 1 o'clock in digital clock. The second question, we have two hands, one small hand refer to 6 and one big hand refer to 12, so it will be 6 o'clock. Okay, so in digital we will write 6 o'clock, and in another side we will write 2 zeros. Okay, primary 1. The third clock here, we have two hands, one small hand refer to clock and one big hand refer to minutes, so it's 4 o'clock. In digital, this is analog, and in digital we write 4. In digital, we write 4, and in another side we write 2 zeros. The last question here, it's 10 o'clock, because the small hand refer to clock and the big hand refer to minutes, so it's 10 o'clock. In digital we write 10, and in another side we write 2 zeros. Open your final revision, page 17. We continue to solve the clock. Here the first clock here, it will be 11 o'clock, because small hand refer to 11 and the big hand refer to 12, so it will be 11 o'clock. This is analog. In digital we write 11 and 2 zeros. Okay, the second clock here, the small hand refer to 9 and the big hand refer to 12, so it will be 9 o'clock. In digital we write 9 and 2 zeros. Okay, the third clock here, it will be, it's 3 o'clock. Okay, and in digital we write 3 and in another side we write 2 zeros. The last clock here we have 2 hands. One small hand refer to 2, which is the clock, and the another big hand refer to minutes. Okay, so it will be 2 o'clock, and in digital we write 2 and 2 zeros. Open your final revision, page 18. As we say in the class, in fact families, we have 3 digits. Okay, we make addition for 3 digits and subtraction. In addition, we choose the 2 smallest number and change the places of the 2 smallest number. But in subtraction, we always choose the big number to comes first. Okay, and the big number change the places of the 2 smallest number. Okay, let's start to solve the first example here. We have 11, 5 and 6. Where is the 2 smallest number from these 3 numbers primary one? It will be 5 and 6. So one time we choose 5 to be first, so 5 plus 6 equal 11. And in another example we will write 6 in first, so it will be 6 plus 5, it will be 11. In subtraction we choose the big number to comes first, so 11 one time choose 6, so it will be 11 minus 6, it gave me 5. And in another time 11 choose 5, so it will be 11 minus 5 gave me 6. The second example here we have 2, 7 and 9. So we in addition we choose the 2 smallest number, so one time we choose 2 to come first, so it will be 2 plus 7 equal 9. And in another time we choose 7 to be first, so it will be 7 plus 2 equal 9. In subtraction we choose the big number always to come first, so we always choose 9. 9 one time choose 2 to be first, so 9 minus 2 it gave me 7. And 9 one time choose 7, so it will be 9 minus 7 give me 2. 7, the last one, the last example here, 7, 6 and 1. So in addition we choose the 2 smallest number, which are 6 and 1. One time we choose 1 to be first, so 1 plus 6 equals 7. And in another example it will be 6 plus 1 equal 7. The last example, okay, in subtraction we choose the biggest number, so 7 minus 1 give me 6 and 7 minus 6 give me 1.